Hello, Murray Newlands with Search Engine Journal here at SugarCon in San Francisco with Marissa from TrackMaven. Marissa, what do you guys do?
So we are the leading provider of competitive intelligence data for enterprise marketers so that marketers can be driven by using proactive analytics to help them design their campaigns based on what their audience cares about.
So I know you've done a report on how to get more followers and engagement on Twitter. Tell us about that.
So we do reports. We're obviously collecting a lot of data on the back end. So we did a Twitter report where we followed over 1,000 Twitter handles that had more than 1,000 followers. And we found out some really cool data that we share with all of our clients as well as potential clients. Things like if you use 5 hashtags, you'll receive more engagement than using 1, 2, 3, 4, or even 6. If you use 6 exclamation points, you receive more engagement as opposed to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And also, as people typically think that putting all capital letters in a tweet or in any type of social post is screaming, it actually receives more engagement on Twitter than using uppercase, lowercase. Interesting. And we did an Instagram report, we have an email report, we did a blog report, so all those resources are available on our website if people want to get more data on that.
So that's the reports, but what exactly are people using your technology for generally?
Yes. So our CEO was previously a CMO, and he found out that in his day-to-day job, he was not only having to be visible in a lot of different channels, but he was also having to do a lot of reporting to his executives to show and prove the value of the department overall and to get more budget. So we not only allow marketers to bring a better return by knowing what the audience cares about, so you can have a higher ROI, but also be able to prove. So for example, a lot of B2B companies are not yet in Instagram, what we typically see. Yeah. So you can track your competitors and see, are they on Instagram? Are they getting engagement on Instagram? And if they are, you can take that data to an executive and say, our competitors doing this, our audience cares about it, they're engaging with it, we need to invest money and staff and resources into that because we're missing that share of voice on that space. So I think it's definitely a way to help them be more efficient, but also more effective, and again, continue to prove their value.
Fantastic. If people want to find out more information, connect with you, how do they do that?
They can reach me via email at marissa@trackmaven.com, and it's 1 S.
Marissa, thank you very much. Have a great show.
Thank you. You too.
I'm Murray Newlands with Search Engine Journal. I'll see you next time.